Now in the first one of the straight lines examples, it says that we need to find out the values for the slope of the line. Slope of line की हमें क्या निकालनी है? Values find out करनी है. And how we can do that actually in this case? Using the formula of slope. Slope का formula क्या होता है हमारे पास? That's m equals to change in y. Y में क्या change हुआ है? And denominator में क्या होगा? That's x2 minus x1. So from the first case, I have x1 value, that's 3. I have y1 value, that's minus 2. x2 value is minus 1 and y2 value is 4. हमें क्या find out करना है? I need to find m in this case. So y2 in this case is 4. Minus का sign आएगा and then you would be putting minus 2. Denominator would be minus 1, minus 3. 4 plus 2 हो गया 6 and divided by minus 4. That's minus 3 by 2. As the first one. B part हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? We have the points here. That's 3 comma minus 2. तो हमें x1 और y1 दिया हुआ है, x2 और y2 दिया हुआ है. I need to find m value. कैसे find out करेंगे? That's minus 2 minus 2 is there. In division you would have 7 minus 3. So you would have minus 2 plus 2. Division में क्या होगा? 7 minus 3 that's 4. Minus 2 plus 2 would be 0 by 4, that's 0. अब C part है हमारे पास, that's again finding m value. Change in y 4 लिखा, second value हमारे minus 2 है, नीचे हमारे पास 3 minus 3 आएगा, that's 6. 4 plus 2 would be 6 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So 6 by 0 would nothing but infinity कह सकते हैं हम इसको, क्योंकि 6 को हम 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. So I could say this would be not defined. The value is not defined, infinity. ठीक है, ध्यान रखना 0/4 होगा, मतलब 0 by any number होगा तो 0 आएगा, लेकिन अगर 0 डिनोमिनेटर में होगा it cannot be defined. इसको हम define ही नहीं कर सकते. Now the D part is somewhat different. They are saying it says making inclination of 60 degree with the positive direction of y-axis. तो हमें यहाँ पे कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करना है? If angle is there, you have to use tan theta formula. So what in this case? Tan 60 degree. And what is the value of tan 60? That's root 3. So for the fourth one, the slope would be root 3.